How to reactivate Uber account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can reactivate your Uber account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, reactivating your Uber account is actually quite simple, but remember that if you just happen to deactivate or maybe delete your account before and then now you decide that you would like to go ahead and then reactivate it, all you have to do is just try to log into your account and see what it tells you. So you can open up the Uber application over here, and as you do that you can simply come to the account page here. And once you come to the account page, now in my case I'm already logged in, but if you want to log into, let's say, some of the other accounts, you can go ahead and log out and try to log into that account. When you try to log in, it will basically give you a pop-up that says would you like to reactivate your account. You just have to tap the yes option and then your account will get successfully reactivated. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then reactivate your Uber account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.